Hey there, Candoers, and welcome to today's featured product announcement. Today we're going to talk about how you can leverage Candu's best-in-class templates to get started building content. To get to templates, you'll click Content and then click this Templates tab in the upper left. You'll note that you can actually start with your own template, so if you have content that you love that you want to iterate over, you can hit this Create New Template button and select from your pre-built content. Alternatively, if you're looking for inspiration or if you haven't built any content yet, you can start from our library of templates that we've created for you. These templates were built with our designer and some of our customers to really try to address some of Candu's top use cases, so hopefully they can help you out. You can always browse through the entire library to get inspired, or alternatively, if you're coming in with a use case that you already love, you can click in to find, let's say if you really want to build a checklist, some inspiration that's specific to you. You can browse through these options, and once you've found one that you think addresses your use case, or at least begins to address your use case, obviously you can edit these. You can click in and get a quick preview of what this content will look like. If you like it, you can just hit Create Content, and you'll be brought to the usual editor process. So we can name it Checklist, add it to a category, and hit Create. And now you'll see you're brought to the normal editor page, except it already has content built in, so you're not starting completely from scratch. As usual, you can change out the text, change out the content, adjust the layout. Everything you can normally do in the editor is available to you. It's just that now that you have some templates to work with, so you're not starting from that blank slate. Once you're in the editor, you still have the option to add additional templates. So if you started with a blank screen and you realize you want to start from some template options, you can always click this templates button over here in the palette. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the normal templates library where you'll be able to select any of the options to get started. So let's say if we wanted to add some shortcuts underneath our checklist, we can click in and we'll either have the option to open this content in a new section if we want to create an entirely new piece of content, or we can add it to the current content. Like anything else in the editor, you can drag them around, drop them, rearrange your layouting. So if I don't like that it added here to the right, I can always click on the entire tutorial and drag it up above so that it sits directly under my checklist. The last thing to note about templates is that unlike other elements in the editor or in the palette, you don't just drag them onto the page. They get dropped below whatever element you have selected. So just be sure you're in the right place when you go to add it. Otherwise, I really hope the templates inspire you, help you get started in building the content that you want, and that you have a good time with it. As always, try it out, let us know what you think, and thanks so much.